Oh, fuck yeah, I got that on film.
Yeah, definitely. Oh man, can you actually spin a U and go back the other way? Fuck, look at that, bro. That is so fucking heavy. Holy fuck.
That sound my orders I'm going through too.
Man, this is gonna get really fucking mean. Let's go shelter under Warrior Bridge, man, where I can film, okay? Holy fuck, yeah. Oh no, washboard. Go in there, man. Can you reverse up, please? Sorry, I'm just fucking,
Oh,
no, fuck it, just go around. Yeah. It's pretty hard, I know, you can't see shit. Yeah, that's very end one here, man. Good stuff.
Sounds like